Top 5 Best 3D Printer for Miniatures. Number 5. Official Creality 3D Printers Ender 3 V3 SE. When it comes to budget-friendly 3D printers that punch above their weight, the Ender 3 V3 SE hits all the right notes. Faster than the average hobby printer at 250 millimeters per second, this machine doesn't waste time or filament. It handles PLA, PTG, and even tricky TPU with ease, thanks to the direct drive sprite extruder. That means fewer jams, smoother prints, and no material limitations out of the box. Setup is laughably easy. 20 minutes, 3 steps, no stress. Auto leveling and auto Z offset make first layer perfection practically automatic. And with dual Z-axis screws and sturdy steel rails on the Y-axis, wobbles and shakes are kept in check. Though be warned, at full speed, it might shake your desk like a tiny earthquake. The spool holder design could use a rethink. It bends filament more than it should, but it's fixable with a printed guide. The flexible build plate? Best replaced with glass if long-term reliability is the goal. It runs open-source slicers, doesn't need internet to print, and has outperformed even upgraded older models. While not flawless, ripped to the rare early DOA unit, when it works, it really works. This is the kind of printer that earns its keep day after day. Coming in number 4, Anycubic LCD 3D Printer. Anycubic's Photon Mono 4K greets users with a literal smile straight out of the box. A charming touch for a machine that's about to test your patience and precision. But beneath that friendly first impression lies a serious piece of resin printing hardware. The build quality stands out at this price point. A solid base, thick cover, and smartly designed resin vat with fill lines and a pour spout suggests someone at Anycubic actually uses these machines. The touchscreen is small, a bit cramped for big fingers, but functional enough to avoid real mistakes. Print quality? Impressive. Even first-time users are getting crisp results with fine detail. The downside is resin printing isn't exactly plug-and-play. Ventilation, curing, slicing software quirks, there's a learning curve, and it's steep. Extra FEP sheets should be considered mandatory gear for anyone not already fluent in resin printing. Despite that, the machine's durability holds up long-term. After months of constant use, it's still running strong, which isn't something every budget printer can claim. For the price, it's a solid gateway into resin 3D printing. Just be ready to read, experiment, and get your hands a little messy. Coming in number 3. Elegoo Resin 3D Printer Mars 2 Pro. Elegoo's Mars 2 Pro may not wear a cape, but for a resin printer under $300, it performs like a superhero. With a 2K monochrome LCD and 2-second layer curing, this machine balances speed and print quality like a champ. Ideal for miniatures and small-scale models, it delivers crisp details, clean edges, and consistency that rivals machines 10 times its price. The CNC machined aluminum body gives it a sturdy feel, while the sandblasted plate grabs prints like it means it. Built-in carbon filters help cut the resin smell, though ventilation is still a must. The setup is painless. Level, set Z, test light, done. And even resin rookies can get solid results with just a little trial and error. But there's no such thing as a flawless budget printer. The software feels clunky at times. Hidden pop-up windows, outdated versions on the USB drive, and beta updates best avoided. The included flash drive is a one-use wonder, so back things up fast. FEP films wear out and the resin vat is fragile, but at least 2 spares are included. Despite the quirks, Mars 2 Pro has earned its stripes. It's fast, reliable, and beginner-tolerant, offering pro-level prints without the premium price tag. Coming in number 2. Elegoo Mars 4 MSLA 3D Printer. Elegoo's Mars 4 packs a punch in a tight frame, offering one of the highest resolutions on a consumer resin printer, 9K to be exact. That's 18mm XY detail, meaning dice, miniatures, and intricate parts come out razor sharp. The 7-inch mono LCD and COB light source deliver consistently clean layers, with a tilting vat that speeds up the process without tearing prints off the FEP like a gorilla. This machine leans beginner-friendly without dumbing things down. The laser-etched bed grabs prints like glue, in a good way, and the no-screw leveling system is a small but blessed mercy for anyone with sore wrists or zero patience. The Wi-Fi feature? Surprisingly functional. Skip the USB dance and send files straight from Cheetubox. It's not all smooth sailing. The printer clings hard to the Cheetu ecosystem, and working with other slicers is an uphill hike. The camera's location makes sense on paper but struggles in real life. Low placement plus tall prints equals zero visibility. The lid isn't hinged, which turns every resin top-up into a minor juggling act, and the rounded resin spout could learn some manners. Still, the Mars 4 delivers performance well above its price. It's reliable, smartly designed, and built for long-term daily use. For detail-obsessed makers, this one earns its keep. Coming in number 1, Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K isn't just another budget resin printer. It's a scalpel in a world of butter knives. At 22 microns resolution, it delivers detail so sharp even veteran modelers do double takes. Whether it's 1/25 scale car parts or high fantasy miniatures, this machine doesn't just print, it sculpts. The frosted, laser-cut build plate locks models down like a vault. Dual linear rails mean no wobble, no Z-axis nodding, just clean, consistent layer lines every time. Despite the mini name, the 7.1 inches LCD and tall Z-axis offer plenty of room to print more than just trinkets. Motors hum quietly, and build quality punches far above the price. Beginners are in for a pleasant surprise. Setup is straightforward, slicing is intuitive, and prints often succeed right out of the box. A few extra tools, good gloves, isopropyl alcohol, a UV light are essential, but that's standard for resin work. Accessories are limited for now, and shipping times may stretch, but the performance makes it worth the wait. This is a workhorse in a compact body, fast, accurate, reliable, and priced for mortals. For anyone chasing ultra detail on a realistic budget, the Sonic Mini 8K is still king of the hill.